backup? What is it and why do we need it? The simplest way that we can try to understand backup is to think of real world examples. When I say Mona Lisa, you immediately think of the original piece in a museum behind Perspex glass with an amassed amount of people admiring it. You don't think of a print or a copy of it or anything else. It's an original and it can't be replaced. As I draw the Mona Lisa here from memory, it's not the same. It's not the original. And as I copy that over, you'll see that there are differences between my copies. And both of them are not the original and could never replace the original. It's a real world example of copies. Now, if I were to say the words Eiffel Tower, you would think of the original. You think of the structure, you might have memories of actually going in the Eiffel Tower and looking out it and seeing the amazing view. You would never think of another structure or a copy of it, or maybe you wouldn't even think of a painting of it. You would think of the original. These are both structures that are one of a kind in our world. We protect them and they become icons because they are a one of a kind. Now, if these one of a kinds needed to be backed up, we couldn't do it. And if they were damaged, in the awful case that there was a fire and it burnt the original Mona Lisa, or it was torn, or the Eiffel Tower was broken and someone decided to put band-aids on it to fix it, we wouldn't be able to replace them. We wouldn't be able to fix them. It would be lost. That would be it. But in the digital world, we have the ability to create a copy that is original. It's an exact copy. So the golden rule for backup is 3, 2, 1. That means we're going to have 3 copies of the original data. We're going to use 2 different storage devices, and we're going to have one off-site. So that in the case that we need to restore, we're not just relying on one copy, and we're not relying on one type of storage device, and we're also not relying on one location. Now, if we follow this 3-2-1 backup rule, we can rest assured, we can know that our Eiffel Towers and our Mona Lisas in our data are safe because they can be restored. If there's a fire, we can restore it. If something's deleted, we can restore it. If we're hacked and things are encrypted, we can restore it. That's where backup has its strengths. The digital world isn't exactly like the physical world. We do have differences in the two. In some cases, like backup, there's strengths. We have the strength that we can have a copy of the original data to restore an original copy. That's amazing. So take the opportunity, back up your data. If you are a business and you're looking for managed security services, including managed backup, please feel free to contact myself and the team at Ingest Services. We'd be happy to help you out. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please feel free to like, share, and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.